Welcome back to Femina Champions Series 2021. Champions Group, a leading global business conglomerate, has a diverse portfolio that covers real estate, lifestyle and leisure, media, cloud computing, marketing and data services. Under the leadership of Hema Malini Nidamanuri, a visionary entrepreneur, Champions Group has grown to be India's most trusted business enterprise and transformed business with superlative customer offerings. Hema Malini Nidamanuri was honoured and awarded with many prestigious awards for her remarkable global work and business experience in numerous fields and industries across continents, which has transformed several lives and shaped many groundbreaking business ideas.
Welcome, Mrs. Nidamanuri.
Thank you.
Tell us about your story and about how Champions Group came into being and, the rise of you as a marketing innovator of the world.
Early 2000s, we realized that India was growing with global outsourcing. Then we set up strategic outsourcing to serve government services and span outsourcing for marketing and data services for global clients. Then we realized that for any company, no matter how good the product or service is, it's very important to have a helping hand from marketing side. Then we started becoming a growth partner for our clients. Then in 2010, we launched Metric Fox to provide the complete end-to-end solutions of marketing intelligence through platforms. Then we thought we also required cloud computing and SaaS offerings through Amplis. That's how Amplis was developed. Today we are very proud to say that we are growth partner for Fortune 500 firms globally. As there are several brands under Champions Group which services end-to-end marketing solutions, it was very easy for us to explain our clients and they could depend on us. They can concentrate on their own business and we will be helping them with the end-to-end marketing solutions. It was also important for us to have different offices in continents like North America, Europe and Asia Pacific so that we could service our customers globally. And we also work with their growth plans and their goals. That is the reason we say very confidently today that we are in the business that we help businesses to grow.
So how do you really leverage the competencies of the Champion Group companies to boost new brands?
Having all the brands under one umbrella, we are able to service our clients, be it from data or marketing and offsite teams. Having all these together, we are able to service them to their expectations. And they are very happy because they see the growth year on year. And we having all these brands, we are able to give, for example, a customer becomes part of Champion Informatics. That is one of our brands. If he is a customer of that, he will also get to enjoy the benefits of Champions Yacht Club for their teams as well. Initially we started for our teams, but we expand this to our customers as well. And that is how we do cross-channel marketing. And that way the brands also will improve and everybody gets benefited out of whatever we have under Champions Group. Similarly, the other brands that we have, I call them fit brands because it's ChampFit, FootFit and Health.fit. Once anyone becomes member of ChampFit, automatically they become members of all the fit brands because these are all health related, so we put them together. Let's imagine what can you do if you have a fully dedicated team for you when it comes to the data to lead generation and marketing, branding, SEO, Google marketing, email marketing, the complete 9 yards of marketing solutions at one place. As Champions Group has all these capabilities, it is possible for clients to depend on Champions Group for their marketing and branding completely. Having a platform like Amplis, which gives data intelligence, marketing intelligence and intent-driven insights, which is very, very useful for our customers. Similarly, we are able to use Amplis to power our own brands too.
So you mentioned that Champions Group is spread across a wide variety of sectors and it houses many brands. Which one are you most passionate about?
Informatics was our main core business, but later all these brands have come. any new baby gets a lot of attention. So that's how all the fit brands are very close to my heart, because they are completely related to health and lifestyle. Yeah, and which has become very, very important after pandemic. Most of our brands, we started initially to serve our own internal employees, we call our champions, and then they evolved in the process, they evolved as our businesses. Similarly, we are able to give discounted homes through our Infratech division. In fact, Infratech and our prefab divisions are the fastest growing divisions. Similarly, as I mentioned, during the pandemic, from our Champ.Fit, we are able to give the complete immunity basket, just to make sure that all of our champions are safe at home and building their immunity to fight with COVID. Even during pandemic, we are able to service even community with the help of ChampFit, and there was a request for COVID patients from Food.Fit. They requested for hot food. So that's how the Food.Fit was born. We got requests from a lot of customers for health diagnostics, and especially during the second wave, diagnostics were so busy that we could not depend on third party. So that's how our Health.Fit is born. And now with all the services having under one umbrella, under Fit brands, I'm very confident that we will be able to give a better service, and also a lot of discount offerings that we will be able to provide, because they're all under our group. The interesting part about ChampFit is that we need to understand that every blood group has a different type of foods that they can eat and they cannot eat. So we are able to give subscriptions, packages for all the blood group based diet, and also the diet which is for ailments. We are able to give separate diets for diabetes, hypertension, thyroid, PCOD, PCOS, all different elements and many more. As part of wellness initiative, we also have organic farm, but after this pandemic it came to life, and we are pretty much staying there in the farm, and all of our team meetings, team gatherings are happening there, because we could actually follow all the norms of social distance. We have come up with interestingly open air gym. At the same time, staying in the farm, we have complete organic vegetables. So all the meals that are coming with our expert chefs and nutritionists, doctors, and food scientists and food researchers. So we are able to give a good food that is immunity based. With all our lifestyle brands, Goa, I'm sure many people in India, or most people in India, would want to go for a vacation. Similarly, we also went for a vacation to Goa, and then we found a beachfront villa. We thought we could entertain our own champions taking that villa, and then we realized, because it's beachfront, we should also buy a yacht. At the time, Ports Minister was Mr. Manohar Parikarji. He was also CM, and we went met him, and he actually gave us a thought that you should start a yacht club. That's when the Champions Yacht Club came up, and we were able to entertain all our 5,000 plus champions. And of course, it took off as a business, and we were able to grow, and we expanded even in Dubai, the Champions Yacht Club. And now, when it comes to the fashion brand Aboli, our fashion brand Aboli was born with the thought that today's ladies also need a dynamic dress. We have cell phones and we have all kinds of stuff that we should also need pockets, not just men. So that is how this brand is born. Having textile brand in-house, we were able to give a lot of masks and PPE kits to the community around and to all our employees.
So in the light of the pandemic, how has the business strategy changed for you, and what's the way forward?
So after this pandemic, we realized and we thought we should concentrate on two things. One is health, and number two, they should be able to work from anywhere. As you already know that we worked on health through our Fit brands. And work from home. We have made work from home possible by making investments into data security and cloud computing and a lot of tracking mechanisms. The best thing that happened after this pandemic, all our clients have realized that the work can be done from anywhere. So now all the processes are coming to India versus paying in US and UK. So they are actually sending all the processes, including marketing, IT, data, payroll, accounting, and many more. Now we are actually giving work from home for all the Indians. So all our 4,000 seats in our office are empty now and is available for all our customers. So we are able to bring all their processes and fill in all these seats. And that business is actually growing very rapidly.
So Champions Group has business in India and 6 continents overseas. What is the difference in the business landscape that you see between these markets?
We have made India the anchor and have all the sales teams in other countries. Out of all these countries, I would say first US is a very friendly country to do business, and if someone wants to expand their businesses globally, this country is the right country. And the decision making is also very fast in US because they already understand the outsourcing from year 2000. So that makes it a very friendly country for anybody to operate or work with. UK is slightly cautious in decision making but tends to pay the highest. From Middle East, UAE is the most interesting pocket with GCC coverage, and Singapore in Asia is in central location, not to miss. We have found Japan and China to be tough countries to grow. The reason being you need the local language speaking talent to grow the business there. But not to forget that these two countries are evolving. But the best part of India, the companies headquartered here have immense talent, including Japanese and Chinese language resources to support the global expansion right here.
Thank you so much for your time, Mrs. Hema Malini. It was a pleasure interacting with you. Wish you and the entire team at Champions all the very best for your exemplary work. With that, our special feature, Femina Champion Series 2021, comes to an end. Thanks for watching.